And you notice he's got this funny little blue thing on. Yeah. And that's what we call our brain robot. And we partnered up with a company called NeuroSky, and they showed us this little sensor they had that can read your EEG waves. And we can do that pretty inexpensively. So what we've done is we designed this headset to, you put it on, and the sensor right in the center actually measures your EEG wave. And the little robot down here, why don't you point him that way a little bit, Ted? He's got a little display on him. And that display, you'll see the little bar graph go up. It is measuring the level of attention that Ted is trying to convey to the robot. Once it gets up to a certain attention level, the robot's going to start to move. Now, we do this. Okay, he's going to try it. Now, keep in mind, he's a software guy. You know, sometimes their brains, but I can't do it. I'm too old. You know, my skull's too thick. Okay, but so he always gets nervous up on stage. If you really want to see it, you come over to our booth. So he's got like 2 bars. He needs 1 more bar. There it goes. Now he's actually, just by thinking, has made that robot move. Yeah. Lady up in front says, "No way." If you really want to try it, come over to our booth later. We'll put you on the headset. You can try it. It's really cool. So you say, okay, now what's that application? Well, again, if you're a handicapped person in a wheelchair, we can measure about 5 to 6 different EEG activities coming from your brain. So you could do maneuvering of your wheelchair. We can also look at your eyeballs, and you could turn your eyeballs right and left, and the wheelchair would move right to the left. So that's just some of the other kind of applications that is out there in the technology. And Ted's actually doing pretty good today. I guess his brain, he's got well, I don't know, he didn't get a lot of sleep last night, because he told me he came in at 2 o'clock. Maybe it was all the alcohol. It kind of killed some of the brain cells, you know. So anyway, that's kind of Buck Rogers science fiction kind of stuff.